So, this is the Wonder Dino game.
Oh, we shot his tongue! Welcome to Stryker City! So today we are going to open these toys.
Oh.
So Dad, which one you're going to pick?
Well, let's see. Let's go with the big one first.
Okay.
So, this is the Wonder Dino game. The whole objective is we're going to shoot the balls into the dinosaur's mouth, and that's how we get our points.
Alright, how we get our points? From here.
Yep, right down at the bottom there's a little counter that keeps score, so we know how many points we have. And then it tells us on the back, it comes with the balls and the gun, and then it tells us how to use it. Alright?
Yeah, you need glasses to see them.
Yeah, good point, and it's very important. It tells you the glasses are inside the box to protect your eyes so you don't get hurt. So you ready to get started? Fancy. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, here we go,
Oh yeah! So the boobs
Yeah,
are what? I pretty did a
there we
good
go.
job.
Snaps in like that.
I can't wait. Oh my god, it is shoot up the air in a truck.
Oh wow, there's two guns. This is a fancy one. Look at this one. Alright.
I think this is pretty good.
And here's your glasses.
You're
for
gonna be
safety.
yellow.
I'm gonna be yellow.
Yeah.
What color are you gonna be?
Red.
Red? Okay. You know what, Wyatt? You're right. It does take some batteries. Because I see when I push the button, it doesn't light up. And there's a little spot for the batteries right here.
How many batteries need?
I don't know. I've got to get a screwdriver and some batteries. So now I'm going to
can't
put the
wait
batteries
for you
in.
to shoot.
So we're going to take this cover off. And it says we need 2 AA batteries. 2 batteries just like this. So now I'm going to put them in.
Now he opens his mouth.
Yep, first we got to turn them on. So we're going to push this button right here.
1, 2, 3, open his mouth.
Let's see what he does.
Hello, I am Stupid Trevor. Call the show. It's your shooting.
Whoa! So hey, what color are you going to be? Let's try to open
I'm
this mouth.
red. I'm red.
Red?
And you're yellow.
Okay, red and yellow. All right.
You're
These
gonna
got
be
your-
yellow.
And I'll be yellow. Okay. Let's see.
I can't wait to put my bullet in there.
Okay.
I
And I'll-
need a lot
Ooh,
of
he's talking.
balls.
He opened his mouth.
Yeah.
He opened his mouth.
All right, now watch.
Look
what-
at his sharp teeth.
I know. Look at these sharp teeth and his big eyes. Oh, and look, there's his tongue.
Yep, I shoot his tongue off.
You gonna shoot his tongue off? Okay. So watch how I put the bullets in, okay?
Tell you not to touch my tail. I will be angry.
Uh-oh. He says he'd be angry if you touch his tail.
Let me
No.
touch his tail.
You want to touch his tail and see what happens? Nope. Nothing happened. That's okay. Now let's see. Let's put these in your gun.
So now these balls are all hurt.
Mm-hmm. Push it in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
cool.
how you gotta do it.
Yep. Now put
You
them
gotta
all
push
in.
it in.
Yep. Did you get that one in? Did you push it in?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear it. So you gotta wait for it to make that sound. That's how you know what's in there. All right, my gun's ready.
My gun's not.
You got them all in there?
Yes, see?
Yes, you do. Okay.
Okay.
Now remember, to shoot it, just pull it out and it's gonna shoot them. So don't shoot it until you're ready. I'm gonna aim for the dinosaur. Ready? Whoa!
Whoa, 2 bullets.
2 bullets. Ready? Oh, nice job! Whoa!
Whoa.
You have any left? We got 1 more. Let's try it again. Ready? You did it!
Yes.
And it shot back
Yeah,
out.
let's do him.
Okay.
Let's do this bad boy.
All right. Ready? Whoa!
Whoa.
And
Oh, we shot his tongue.
good thing you have your glasses on, huh?
Yeah, so we won't get shoot in the eye.
Right. Nice!
We made a noise. I shot him right into. We just shot him and this movie's tongue and it was like Willy Wonka.
Yeah. Oh, well, he said something. I didn't hear what he said, but he said something. I think he's mad because you got him in the mouth. Ready? Whoa!
That's not a trap. We shot him in the tongue and he made a noise.
I know. Good job, Stryker. Yep. Ready? Boom! Oh! Right off of his tooth.
Yeah.
Ready?
Sad go.
And oh, we got him again.
Oh my God, that must have hurt you, big eye. You never win.
Oh, right off his tooth. Okay, last bullet. Ready? Got him again. Good job.
Yeah. Oh! Wow! Whoa!
Mm.
We just shot 2.
Oh,
What?
almost got him. Almost got him. There we go.
Right in
There
the
we go.
tongue. Wow.
All right, ready? Oh, almost.
Oh!
Okay. Oh. Oh, we got him.
What did it say?
I don't know. I think he was mad because we got him in the tongue again. Is that everything?
You
Let's see.
not care. I like it. 2 million.
2 million?
No, I like 10 million.
10 million?
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
That's
Look.
how I love my game. How many you love your game? That game, Daddy.
Oh, I loved it a lot, especially since
How
look.
many?
Look at all the balls in his belly, the bullets in his belly. Stryker, you filled him up. That's why his belly's so fat.
Oh, I got it. I see.
And how many million did you like it?
10 million.
10 million?
How many you like?
I liked it 10 million too.
Okay. I thought you was gonna like it 30 million.
30 million?
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot. So tell me, what did you like about it? What was so much fun?
It was this one. It was this the part when I shot him in the tongue.
When you shot him in the tongue, that was the fun part?
Yeah, I was just like the one when he got shot in the tongue and he said, nah. He sounds like a big chicken.
Sounds like a big chicken.
Yeah.
Here, how about the gun? Was it easy to use?
No, it was a little bit hard to use.
It's a little bit hard to use.
Yeah,
But after we practiced, it got better. All right? Okay. Which gun is your favorite? The blue one or the purple one?
The blue? I gotta think. The blue one.
The blue one?
Because the blue was like, it goes close
little bit easier if you're a smaller kid to use.
And this one don't even float, so I don't like this one. You like that one.
Oh, okay. This one's a better one for the grown-ups? Yeah, because it doesn't have a handle. You got to really pull it with your hand.
Yeah, this one has a handle. So this one is pretty cool. This
All
one's
right.
cool. That one's a little bit cool.
All right. And it was a good thing you had your glasses.
Yeah.
Because the balls bounced and almost hit us, right?
Uh-huh. And when I shot the dinosaur in the tongue, it bounced on my head. Did you see that?
I did see that.
It was like, it was like.
Wow. Okay.
Thank you for watching Stryker City video. And like, subscribe, and smash that like button. And get a thumbs up.